In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to build a website on Hostinger, whether you're a complete beginner or someone who just wants a simple and fast way to get online. We'll cover everything from logging into your dashboard, choosing how to build your site, customizing it, connecting your domain, and finally publishing it live. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have your website up and running. If this video helps you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more simple website tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, log into your Hostinger account. Once you're inside your dashboard, also known as hPanel, click on Websites. From there, click on Create or Edit Website. This is where the entire setup process begins. Hostinger makes it very beginner-friendly, so don't worry if this is your first time building a website. Next, you'll need to choose how you want to build your website. Hostinger gives you three main options. Option A is the Hostinger Website Builder. This is the easiest option because it uses a drag-and-drop editor. You get ready-made templates, you can visually customize everything, and you don't need any coding knowledge at all. This is perfect for small business websites, portfolios, or simple landing pages. Option B is WordPress, which is the most popular website platform in the world. This is ideal for blogging, e-commerce, business websites, or if you want more flexibility and control. WordPress has thousands of themes and plugins, making it extremely powerful. Option C is uploading your own website. This option is for more advanced users who already have a website built with HTML, CSS, JavaScript, or PHP. You can upload your files using the File Manager inside Hostinger or connect via FTP. Choose the option that best fits your needs. For beginners, I usually recommend the Hostinger Website Builder. If you choose the Website Builder, the next step is selecting a template. Browse through the available templates and pick one that matches your style or industry. Once you find one you like, click Start Building. Hostinger will automatically generate your website structure based on that template, which saves you a lot of time. Now it's time to customize your website. This is where you make the site truly yours. You can click on any text to edit it directly, change headings, update paragraphs, and add your own messaging. You can also add images by replacing the default images with your own photos or branding. If you need more pages, such as an About page, Contact page, or Services page, you can easily add them from the Builder menu. Simply click to add a new page, name it, and customize it the same way. You can drag and drop sections to rearrange your layout, add buttons for calls to action, insert contact forms to collect leads, and even add image galleries. The Builder is fully visual, so you see your changes in real time. Once your design looks good, the next important step is connecting your domain. Go back to hPanel and navigate to Domains, then click on DNS Settings. You need to make sure your domain is pointing to Hostinger's name servers. The correct name servers are ns1.dns.parking.com and ns2.dns.parking.com. If your domain is registered with Hostinger, this is usually set automatically. If it's registered elsewhere, update the name servers with your domain registrar. After updating, it may take some time for DNS changes to propagate, but often it's quite fast. Finally, once everything is ready, go back to the Website Builder and click Publish. As soon as you click Publish, your website goes live on the internet. That's it. You've successfully built and launched your website using Hostinger. Building a website might sound complicated at first, but Hostinger makes the process incredibly simple. Whether you choose their drag-and-drop builder, WordPress, or upload your own custom site. Take your time customizing it, make sure your domain is connected properly, and once you hit publish, you're officially online. If this step-by-step tutorial helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy website and hosting tutorials in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.